Hey everybody, this is our second video. It is about dividing. Now I know you're probably rolling your eyes. Maybe you're saying, oh, I hate division. Or you're saying, oh, I already know how to divide. But in either case, you should watch this. Because if you hate division, this will make it so much easier. And if you already know how to divide, this is the proper way to do it. To make sure that you're doing it correctly. This will really help you with double-digit division. It will help with dividing of decimals. It's just the best way to do it. Yes, so it will help with double digit. That means that we're going to start off slow. We're going to start off with just single digit division. So let's go ahead and start. Let's name some pieces here. This is my divisor. This is my quotient. And these two things, when you multiply them together, that's right, they will equal this number right in here, the dividend. Now, it might get confusing to think, oh, but these are factors and this is a multiple and this is... yes, I understand. But remember, these two numbers, the top number, the quotient, and the factor, I'm sorry, there I am getting mixed up, and the divisor are multiplied together, right? So it's a multiplication problem. Let's write some numbers in here, it'll make some sense. 3 times something is 726. It's a multiplication problem where we're missing the multiplier, right? We're missing one of the factors, this one up on top, and we've got to figure out what it is. Now, this leads us to the way that many people do division, and this is just, it's painful, right? You've probably done this. You're going to ask yourself, what times 3 is 726? And you're going to estimate, or worse, guess some big number, like 215 times 3. And then you check it, right? That's, what is that? 15, carry the 1, 3, that's 4. 600, nope, that's not it. Let me guess something bigger. Let's guess 250 times 3. Have you ever done this? It takes forever. 3 times 0 and 3 times 5 is 15. And if you're not good at multiplication, that's 750. Oh, that's too much. If you're not good at multiplication, this can just wear you out. This is why people hate division. So we don't want to do that ever, 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 right? Here's how you do it. We're going to go back over here and we're going to say above each place value in our dividend, right? Above the 7, we're going to make a line. Above the 2, we're going to make a line. Above the 6, we're going to make a line because our answer, we want to think about our answer one digit at a time. Right? In this class, I told you this in class, we should never have to multiply by anything bigger than 9. No 215s, no 250s. That is a killer. So never by anything greater than 9. Let's try it. Here's what I mean. Let's look at the 7. What times 3 is 7? Or is close to 7? I think everybody knows that, right? Because you can just look on your multiplication table. We all know that 2 times 3 is 6. And 3 times 3 would be 9. That's too much. So let's try it. 2 times 3 is, and right below the 7, because we're working on the 7, we'll write our 6. Right? We're just pretending that we're dividing 7 at this point. Nothing easier than that. 2 times 3 is 6. Now, what you need to do in order to make this work is you need to fill in these blank spaces with zeros. We don't want numbers to fall down, right? We want to know, because really this is 200, right? And 200 times 3 is 600. So we're really being honest about the numbers. And it's going to keep things organized. It keep things nice and straight. So here, let's subtract, right? It's much easier to subtract than saying numbers fall down. 6 minus 0, oh, that's easy, that's 6. 2 minus 0, that's easy, 2. And 7 minus 6 is 1, right? So now we go back and we start again. 1. Can 3 come out of 1? Nope. And that's good, because if this number was bigger than 3, or we could subtract 3 out of it, that would mean we made a mistake. So this way, there's built-in ways to catch your mistakes. Let's keep going. So we can't do 1. Let's extend it to the next number, 12. How many groups of 3 come out of 12? Again, we should know that. 3 times 4, or 4 times 3 is 12. We write the 12 under the 12 because that's the number we're working with. And there's a blank spot here. We fill it in with a 0. And now we can subtract. Remember, no numbers are falling down. We're just subtracting. 6 minus 0 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. And then we have 6 left. It's in this last place value. How many groups of 3 come out of 6? Again, easy. 2. 2 times 3 is 6. And we're done. Right? We've finished our division problem. And we never had to multiply by anything bigger than 4. Right? You can use your multiplication table. Let's take a look at another one. Right? Let's take a look at another one. And this time we'll pull out the multiplication table and I'll show you how easy it is. Let's make some really big scary numbers here. Let's do 900, and let me get this a little higher here. 984. And we're going to divide it by another really big scary number, 8. Okay, now we're going to remember that this is going to be a multiplication problem. And we're going to remember that we are going to put a line above each of these digits. And we're going to start one at a time. This first digit. How many times can 8, what times 8 gets us close to 9? Well, 1 times 8 is 8. Don't forget to fill in zeros for the empty place values. And we'll subtract 184. That was easy. We just used this fact right here. 1 times 8 is 8. Let me change the color there so we can see it. Right? So you could just, if you're wondering or you're not good at multiplication, you can look over here and say, oh, 16 would be too big. I wouldn't be able to subtract 16 from 9. Okay, let's go back and check here. Can I take 8 away from 1? No? Good. If I could, if this number was bigger than 8, I made a mistake. Let's keep going to the next number now. 18. How many groups of 8 can I take out of 18? Let's look. 0, 8, 16. 24 is too big. It must be 16. So this must be 2. Oops, let me change this back to yellow. 2 times 8 is 16. And I've got an empty spot here, so I'm going to fill it in. Okay, so there I was just working with the 16 part, and I had to fill in the 0. So 4 minus 0 is 4. 8 minus 6 is 2, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we're going to go to our last place. And remember, I'm writing this line up here, but now our number down here, the 24. Okay, so how many groups of 8 can come out of 2? None. So I'm going to go to the next number, 24. I look at my multiplication table. 0, 8, 24 is right there. It looks like the number 3. So 3 times 8 is 24. And once again, you're done. And that big scary division problem turns out to be just as simple as multiplying by 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Really simple. One digit at a time. Use your multiplication table and you will be golden, my friends. All right. Thank you very much. Have fun.